So as you guys just seen, I did a major deep condition, which I needed for my hair. And I like to do that before I straighten my hair because, you know, I'm putting heat on my hair that I don't normally do. I haven't used heat in a year, you guys, literally a year. I did dye my hair, but I kept some brown in my hair. But I haven't used heat in a long time, and I'm using heat today. So I decided to do a deep condition first, just to prepare my hair. I washed it all out. And yeah, now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after I wash it out and all that, and before I do straighten my hair. My hair is probably dry now, a little bit dry, so to wet my hair, I'm not going to just be using water. I'll be using my special mixture right here that you guys will be seeing in another video. Stay tuned. And as I dry it with like an old shirt. That's how I dry my hair, to keep the moisture in my hair. And then before I straighten it, I use olive oil. I use olive oil for everything, and y'all already know that. Okay, it's naturally shiny. I use olive oil. All right. So yeah, that's what I use for my hair before I blow dry it, straighten it. I'm using 2 different products with heat, so I'm using my blow dryer and my straightener. And I was gonna use my straightening brush just to like add a little bit more to it, but don't turn it up too much of the heat. I use it on like 250 or whatever. Let's see. Let's get to this. All right. So. So this is my hair right now. This is my hair. Curls. And I absolutely love my curls right now, and I feel like I don't want to straighten it, but I'm going to. Birthday's coming up, and I'm gonna straighten it. My hair relaxed so fast, and I'm gonna show you guys the secret onto that. Stay tuned for that video too. Got a lot coming my way. I feel so much better, you guys, like so much less. I just, yeah. So this is it, curly. And this is no product at all in my hair. No product. We're gonna get onto it. I'm gonna put myself in my hair. I'm gonna get onto the room and straighten it. blow dried. So now I am about to straighten it, go over it, because you know, like my roots, they're not really straightened, of course now. But I'm using my Babyliss Pro straightener. Yes, it did have a comb thing on it, but I took the comb off because I just like to do it myself. That's just me, I just like to do it myself. So I'm about to just straighten it. And you know, I always usually do a side part, but when I had just blow dry and had it out, like, I'm kind of feeling the middle part now. I don't know if it's me getting older, me switching it up. I really want to switch it up. So yeah, we're about to straighten it. Get these roots done because I am fully like really blow dry. But my hair grew so much, you guys. Last time I did straighten my hair, okay, so I had to think about it. It was not a year because I did straighten my hair in like September. I straightened my hair, and then after September, I just didn't straighten my hair at all. I just left it because I just wasn't feeling the length that it was when it was straight. And when I had straightened my hair, don't mind me, I'm just looking in the mirror. When I had straightened my hair in September, my hair was up to here. This is how long the front was, and the back was like right here. My hair was not that long. Like, my hair was short because, you know, I had cut my hair due to my grandfather passing. Like, I was just going to do so much, and I was going to do a healing process, so I literally cut my hair off. Like, my hair was like up to here. That's how far I cut it. Like, it got fit into a ponytail somewhat, but that was it. And it was growing good. Like, it grew longer, like up to here, but then I had just like cut it again, like layered it and all that, because I had dyed it and I layered it, and yeah. And literally, like, my hair grew back faster than I expected it to grow back, because I was not expecting my hair to even be this long that it is today. I thought my hair would be like at least like up to here, but my hair is longer than that, as you guys can see. And for me, like, it really depends on in your genes, your genetics. My hair goes back fast. No matter how short I cut it, my hair goes back fast. But I am promising myself, and I'm promising you guys, I'm not cutting my hair no more. I'm just gonna let my hair grow. Okay. I used to have like mid-back length hair before when I was younger and when I was a teenager, and I'm trying to get back to that. So, not cut my hair. I'm doing what I've normally been doing for my hair. Take care of it, giving it that TLC that it needs. And yeah. And I love it. I love the color of it. And, you know, I kept a little bit of the brown pieces, but not too much, just a little bit. I like the dark color. So I'm just going to straighten it. And it looks cute like this. I'll leave it just like this and just rock it. But I'm going to straighten it. I got enough olive oil in my hair. My hair is oiled. At the end a little bit. Call it day. Like I said, my hair is layered, so that's why it's like more like this, but I'm just straightening it. I'm gonna show you the end result. So this is the final look. I love it. I didn't overly straighten it either. Some parts, some roots I just left because I don't got time today. I got a newborn. Listen. Oh, infant. I need to redo my roots. I redo them. I feel like it's just fine. I don't want to overdo it and put too much heat. Like I said, I'm feeling this middle part. Don't mind me looking in there, you guys. Okay. Well, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, I'll see you guys next one.